How to publish Canva designs to Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your design in your Canva. Then click on Share at the top right corner of your screen in the Canva. After you've clicked on Share at the top right, you will find all these options. Click on Instagram at the bottom. After you've clicked on Instagram, you'll find two options pop up. Click on Immediately Post from the mobile app. After you click on it, press on Continue at the bottom. Then it will show you Scan Me, which is the QR code. Now what you need to do is open your phone camera and scan this QR code. It will link you to a website of Canva in this way. Open it, it will lead you to your Canva app. If you have installed, make sure you've installed it. You'll find your design in your phone in this way. Now click on the arrow at the top right corner of your screen in the Canva. Now at the bottom, click on Instagram. After you've clicked on Instagram, at the bottom, click on Immediately Post and then press on Continue. It will prepare your design and leads you to Instagram directly. Now you can press on Share at the bottom and share the design. This is how to publish Canva designs to Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.